Sizzling secrets to master Jamaican cuisine. Welcome to a flavorful journey where we dive into the rich and vibrant world of Jamaican cuisine, a true feast for the senses. Today, we're exploring the iconic dish of Jamaica, jerk chicken, known for its fiery marinade and smoky, irresistible flavor. Let's not forget about ackee and saltfish, Jamaica's national dish. It combines the unique fruit ackee with salty dried fish for a delicious mix. Next up, patties. These flaky, savory pastries filled with spicy meat or vegetables are a must-try street food that you can't resist. Have you ever tried bami? This traditional cassava flatbread is soaked in coconut milk before frying, making it the perfect side dish. And for all the soup lovers, you'll adore Jamaican pepper pot soup. Packed with greens and aromatic spices, it's both hearty and comforting. No Jamaican meal is complete without a side of rice and peas, but don't be fooled. These peas are actually delicious kidney beans. To cool down, nothing beats a refreshing glass of sorrel drink, especially during festive seasons. Its sweet, spicy, and tart flavors are absolutely refreshing. Finally, indulge in a slice of sweet potato pudding, a beloved dessert that brings warmth with every bite. Thanks for joining this tasty adventure.